Accidents on the road are an unfortunate reality that can have far-reaching consequences. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a more serious collision resulting in injuries, the aftermath can be overwhelming. In such situations, seeking the assistance of a collision attorney becomes crucial. These legal professionals specialize in navigating the complex landscape of personal injury law to ensure that victims receive the compensation they deserve. Understanding the role of a collision attorney. Legal expertise. Collision attorneys are legal experts who specialize in handling cases related to motor vehicle accidents. They possess a deep understanding of traffic laws, insurance regulations, and personal injury statutes. This expertise allows them to guide their clients through the legal process, ensuring that their rights are protected. Investigation and evidence gathering. One of the primary responsibilities of a collision attorney is to conduct a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding the accident. This includes gathering evidence such as police reports, witness statements, and any available surveillance footage. By building a strong case foundation, the attorney can better advocate for their clients' rights. Communication with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be a complex and often frustrating process. Collision attorneys serve as intermediaries between their clients and insurance providers, handling negotiations and ensuring that their clients receive fair compensation. This is especially important in cases where the at-fault party's insurance company may try to minimize the settlement. Determining liability. Establishing liability is a critical aspect of any motor vehicle accident case. Collision attorneys work to determine who is at fault for the accident, whether it's another driver, defective vehicle component, or hazardous road conditions. This determination plays a crucial role in the success of the case. Assessment of damages. Collisions can result in various damages, including medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. A collision attorney assesses the full extent of their client's damages to ensure that all relevant factors are considered when seeking compensation. Litigation if necessary. While many motor vehicle accident cases are settled out of court, some may proceed to litigation. In such instances, a collision attorney will represent their client in court, presenting the case before a judge and jury. Their goal is to secure a favorable outcome for their client. Conclusion. Collisions are a harsh reality of our interconnected roadways, and the aftermath can be physically, emotionally, and financially devastating. Seeking the assistance of a collision attorney is a prudent step in navigating the legal complexities that follow such incidents. These legal professionals play a pivotal role in advocating for the rights of accident victims, ensuring they receive the compensation they need to recover and move forward. If you find yourself involved in a motor vehicle accident, don't hesitate to consult with a collision attorney to protect your rights and secure the justice you deserve.